Hi, I'm Derek. I am Project Director with Craft Design Builds.
Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm the Design Coordinator with Craft Design and Build.
And today we want to take you through Craft's peace of mind process. So the first step in our process, Danielle, always to schedule that first on-site walkthrough with them. Now, you take a lot of these on-site walkthroughs, so tell me a little bit about what happens there.
So it begins with client interest. So we like to schedule the walkthrough within 72 hours of that call. This is when I come to your house, we walk the space, we dream a little bit. What's functioning in the space and what isn't functioning. From there, we schedule what we call a concept presentation. That's when we bring you into our office. We talk about some preliminary budgeting, and then we talk about what it looks like to move forward with Craft.
So after that initial concept proposal, we schedule what we call our measure meeting. Now, your measure meeting is where your project director, project manager, interior designer, and draftsman, we all come to your house, we all walk the space with you. After we take full measurements of your existing space, we move on to our red line meetings.
And something really magical happens between the measure meeting and our red line meetings. Our interior designer and draftsman work together to create this beautiful space for you in 3D. This allows you to walk the space, see how the space is functioning. We take a pen to paper. We're deciding what's working, what's not working. We can make changes real time, or we can go back to the drawing board and make larger changes.
One of the best parts about these red line meetings is we're keeping a running budget through this entire process. So if we meet and we discuss your design and we find out that, hey, we're at X number, but you really want to be at Y number, Craft behind the scenes is going to work with that design and scope of work to make sure that your project wins with your budget. So after we're happy with the general direction of your design, we move on to selections. Now, something that we've realized over time is that selections are the most overwhelming part of the design process for our clients. So now we give our clients two options.
So both options are going to be working with our interior designer. The first option would be a more hands-off approach for the client. This is when you would send us some inspiration pictures, and our interior designer goes to work finding those pictures for you and then presents them to you. The second would be to go on shopping days with our interior designer. This is when we tour looking for paint colors, looking for tile, and looking for plumbing fixtures.
Yeah, it sounds easy enough.
Yeah, it sounds easy, it's not.
When we have selections finalized, this is where we move on to our trades day. Trades Day is when we walk your project with our trusted trade partners so we can make a plan to make your project a reality.
After Trades Day, we're going to meet one more time for a budget check-in. At this meeting, we're actually able to offer you a fixed price agreement. And if we look back at Craft's peace of mind process, the whole time we're gathering information. And the more information we gather, the more confidence and less risk to you as a consumer. Thank you so much for tuning in to learn about Craft's peace of mind process.
And we'll see you soon.